Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain about formatting the output in Java. See, a very important concept. What is formatting the output? Reason is what? The way you are writing the code is not important to the end user. For end user, always in what is the way you are showing the results important. One simple example. Suppose here I am just writing the code, adding two numbers I am taking. A and B values we are taking. A and B. We are adding them and storing into A plus B. Just addition operation we are performing. Now I want to display the result. Here simply system.out.println C. We are displaying like this. So what is the output? Output will be simply 30. What is the meaning of this? What is 30? Why it is showing that 30? Right? We need to provide a clear information to the end user. So what is that? At least, sir, I just want to display sum equals to 30. Then it is a meaningful. Sum means what? Adding two numbers or three numbers is sum will be 30k. So how can we do this? Means this is the message. If you want to write like this, sum equal to 30. It is completely string and this is value. This is string and this is value. Both you have to concat. Merging is important. So based on this, how can you format SOP? Sum, whatever the message you want to provide, that you must put it in a double quotes, string. Next value, not comma separator, plus separator, C. If you specify like this, then output will come like this. Okay, sir, for example, I just want to give a more meaningful message, like simply sum of 10 and 20 is 30. I just want to specify like this. How can we? Sum of is a string. Here I am representing sum of 10 and 20 is 30. This is the string. This is the value. Again, this is the string. This is the value. This is the string and this is the value. So strings always we are representing with the double quotes plus value. Again string plus value. Again string plus value. In this format you have to write. So system.out.println first string sum of string close. If you need space in between, please use that space here. Next one is a value. So what you have to write here? Plus value. Value is a 10. 10 is in which variable? A. Plus. Next one is and. It's a string. Plus. Next one is a B. Plus. Is a string. Plus C. This is the way. When you want to specify, then output will come like this. Sir, simply I want to display like this. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. See, this is value. Now this is string. This is value. String, value. This is value plus string plus value plus string plus value. How can you specify this? System.out.println. First of all, value na 10. 10 means what? A. Plus string. Sir, what is this string? This is the plus. Plus. because I just want to display plus on the screen. Next one is a value, means b. Plus, next again string. What is the string? Equal to plus c. That's all. So, whenever you are performing the addition operation, sir, I just want to display the result. Okay. Simply, you can display the result like this. No. I just want to provide a very clear information to the end user. By using the formatting concept, you can specify the more clear way to the end user. Okay. Hope you understood what is formatting in Java. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you all.